To invite friends to the Hunter Call of the Wild game on PS4, you need to follow the simple steps. First, you need to start the game, launch the Hunter Call of the Wild, and load your saved game. And open the multiplayer menu where you are in the game, find the setting for the server visibility, and choose friends only or private. So only your friends will be able to join it. And from your PSN friends list, look for the option to invite friends directly from your PSN friends list in the game menu. And if the game gives you a unique ID for your session, share it with your friends. They can then use this ID to join. Your friend needs to accept the invitation to join your game. They can find the invite in the notifications or by entering the lobby ID and start hunting. If you're having trouble connecting, both you and your friend should restart the game and try again. If you own a map that your friend does not, they can still join your game on the map. The host map choice determines where you can hunt. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.